In a major relief to many, India recorded less than 2,000 daily COVID cases on Monday. India saw a huge drop in infections with 1,968 COVID-19 cases reported in the last 24 hours, the lowest in 133 days, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Tuesday. This drop in cases comes after the country reported 3,011 cases yesterday. As per the ministry, active cases in the country has now declined to 34,598 from the earlier 36,126. A decline of around 2,000 has been recorded in the active COVID-19 caseload in a span of 24 hours. The active cases comprise 0.08% of the total infections, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate increased to 98.74%, the Health Ministry said. The daily positivity rate was recorded at 0.94%, while the weekly positivity rate was 1.29%. The country saw 3,481 recoveries in the last 24 hours. With this, the total number of recoveries now stands at 4,40,36,152. The death toll climbed to 5,28,716 with 15 fatalities, which included 8 deaths reconciled by Kerala. Data updated by the ministry at 8 am stated. 39 fresh COVID cases were reported in Delhi. With the new cases, Delhi's COVID-19 tally has climbed to 20,03,576, while the death toll has risen to 26,503, the department said in its latest bulletin. US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention removed its COVID-19 health advisories for international travel, citing limited testing and reporting data from around the world.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.